Hi, my name's Dan Naylor. I'm the Clinical Director here at Ruabon Road Dental Practice. We're a large NHS and private dentist in Wrexham, which is in North Wales. We are able to provide all manner of dentistry, but our focus is around providing patients with a comprehensive treatment that they're looking for. The team that we've assembled allows us to communicate from the very beginning of your journey, which might be online, it might be a telephone call, and from the very start, I would hope that the patient experiences a warm and helpful attitude, and one that we're able to provide all the way through to your final reveal, and then more importantly, for you to remain as a patient and be cared for many years into the future. So I think for patients, what they will get from this practice is that start to finish journey, curated and looked after by an excellent team. And you will make to be feel that you're at the centre of that treatment from the very start. I've been working in dentistry now for almost 25 years, and it's never have I had a day where I felt that I didn't want to come to work. The most important things that I find that get me motivated are dealing with patients, seeing their surprise a lot of the time when we're able to firstly offer the treatments that they're looking for, give them those treatments in a timely manner, and then provide them to their expectations that they're looking for. So for me, the job satisfaction comes very much with working with those patients to achieve the goals that they're trying to achieve. At Ruabon Road Dental Practice, we've been able to invest heavily in technology, and I think that's paying dividends for us in terms of being able to provide those patients with the information they need to make their best decisions. We're not here to make those decisions for patients, but we're here to guide them, because at the end of the day, we're here to make sure that whatever we do, it's comprehensive. Some of the equipment that we use allows us to do treatments that perhaps those patients didn't think that we could do in somewhere like Wrexham. We can provide all treatments. I think the most important thing when you set out on a dental journey is know really what you want. And you might not, it's a silly thing to say, but you might actually not know what is available to you. So what I would suggest you do is give us a call, make some contact. You can speak with any member of our team. We can support you in any treatment that you might require. But I think the key is to make sure you have the information at hand to make the best decisions for your dental care. Ruabon Road Dental Practice is one of those practices that is able to facilitate patients and help patients get the results that they want. And we want to make sure that all our patients feel that we have their care at heart and their best interest in mind.